This is Erik with Rank by Design. This is just a quick overview of Bricks Builder and what Bricks Builder is. First of all, Bricks is both a theme builder and a page builder all in one. So unlike a lot of plugins like Elementor or similar, Bricks Builder works in a much different way. Please note that I'm not affiliated in any way with Bricks Builder. This is a tutorial about how I've used Bricks Builder to set up a course platform. It's also recommended while going through this course, work on a staging site, and that you are aware that it's your responsibility to perform a site backup before making changes. So you'll see and install Bricks in the Parents tab underneath themes. And here I have both the child theme and the main Bricks theme installed. So let's look at the options really quick. So if we come up to Bricks here, we've got a overview of Bricks itself. Then we got our template section. For example, in order to build a header, you would essentially create a template for both of those here. Then tell Bricks where you want to display these templates. Now in the settings, here you'll have several tabs based on what you need. There's also a custom code tab here, which you can use for Google Analytics, for example, or similar scripts you want to. Bricks also allows you to use your own custom fonts. You can do sidebars. This can be used in your blog areas and so forth. And the system info is just basically just doing it more for troubleshooting and so forth. So let's just create a new page here. We'll say add new page. And let's just give it a title. We're just going to call this creating a course platform in Bricks. And we're going to go ahead and save the draft of this. And then we're going to edit this with Bricks. And this little strip here, this white strip, is what you're going to see when you create a new page. Essentially, you're getting these four options. The first option is basically just allows you to add a section in your site. Let's go back on the other selections. This one is more for when you want to specify column widths. So if we wanted to create a 50/50 width, we just click here, and that's going to create our container in 2 columns. And then the other one would be the templates. This opens up the Bricks template UI versus the more WordPress-like interface I just showed you for templates. Essentially, they're the same thing, just different way of looking at them. And then the last one is the Bricks Academy, which opens up various help articles and tutorials. So let's go ahead and just add a section in here. On the right side, you're going to see the structure panel. This is going to show you different containers and elements that Bricks will create. And then on this side are the elements. You can search for them using this box here. So if I only wanted to show the text elements, I could type in text. And then I'm going to have these 3 different text options. If I wanted to add a heading, first of all, I click on the container to activate it. Then I come over here to this icon here, the plus icon, and I would select heading from the menu. This is going to just put in some placeholder text. And then from here, I can change the heading by just either typing it here or just typing it over on the left here. And let's go ahead and just create a heading that says lesson. And now if we wanted to center this, we would come over to the container of that heading, activate this here, and then we can align it using this cross axis setting here. That's essentially how this works. Is you're working from this side in your structure, and then you're working on the left siding with all your elements and settings within each element. Then if I wanted to add, let's say, a video underneath this lesson, I would just go ahead and come up here to the plus button and type in V for video and select video here. And what it does is it puts, again, a placeholder video in for you. Now, if I wanted to view how this page looks, I can come up here. This is really just a preview icon here, and I can see pretty much how it's going to look on the front end. And then to return back to the builder, I can just click here. If I want to save this page, I can use the icon here. That's going to save my draft, come back into the viewer, and then preview this on the site itself. And then browse back, go back into the builder. I'm going to show you a couple of additional things. So up here, you'll have your display breakpoints. This is for a desktop. This is your extra large or 1280. This is your tablet. And then this is your phone on a landscape, how that would appear, and then your mobile looking at it upright. Let's go back to the desktop. Again, you can collapse your structures so that you're only seeing the sections here, and then uncollapse them by clicking on this same icon again. And same goes for containers. So you can collapse this container just by clicking on these arrows here. You can also collapse the structure column just by clicking on this icon here, and that's going to close it. So hopefully this gives you a brief intro to what Bricks Builder is and what it looks like and what a few of the icons do and how the panels work. So bookmark this page if you're interested. I'm going to be adding to this as I go, showing you how to create your own course platform using Bricks Builder. Have a great day.